If you're wondering how to buy shares of FRP Holdings Inc., this quick guide will walk you through the practical steps. FRP Holdings Inc. operates in the residential real estate sector and trades on the NASDAQ under the ticker FRPH. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. You need a brokerage account to buy shares, and we'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will typically verify your account with an ID document, and you must add funds before placing an order. Use the platform search bar to enter the ticker FRPH and locate FRP Holdings Inc. Double-check the NASDAQ listing and company name to ensure you've selected the correct stock. Open the Asset page to read basic company information and view the price chart for recent movements. Confirm the company name and ticker FRPH to make sure it's the right listing. Click the Invest or Trade button, enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review and confirm the order details before submitting. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as a market or limit order. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the trade can be completed. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it alongside other holdings. For convenience, the platform link is in the description if you want to explore further.